What is up, everybody? It's Crypto 101 coming to you guys with another video today. And today we're going to be talking about good old crypto. We're taking our daily deep dive into DeFi, and we're going to be talking about the possibility of how we might be able to win $1,000 worth of an airdrop. So definitely stay tuned for that. Make sure that you guys stop what you're doing at this point. Make sure that you like this video. I appreciate every single like. Let's aim to get 50 likes on this video. 50 likes. Let's do it. 50 likes on this video. I know we can do it. We're on our way to 2,500 subscribers as well. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Leave your feedback. Let me know what you guys think about this video. And as always, hit that notification bell so you know as soon as these videos are released. Now, you already know what we're talking about today. We're talking about Cairo Finance over here in our maximizer, trying to maximize our gains. So gonna look at this really quick just to give a brief refresh on this. So as you can see, looking good here. Our deposits are up to 540. Team is still sitting at 12 strong, 22 total. We have a max payout of right around 1,272 Cairo currently, 6.21 available. So I'll definitely compound that now. If you're claiming right now and selling, I don't understand why. Now is really the time to accumulate, and let me explain why. If you haven't watched the previous videos on Cairo, I go more in depth about it, but I'll tell you very quickly. So as you can see here, total burn is now above 7 million. So it's at 7.2 million burned. Once we hit 14 million, so we're more than halfway there. Once we hit 14 million burned, you're not going to be able to deposit any more Cairo into this, and you're not going to be able to compound it. From that point on is when you will earn 365% of whatever your deposits are at that point. So definitely understand that if you're going to get in heavy and get in as soon as possible. You know, this is not financial advice. I'm just showing you what I'm doing. But if you want to get in, I definitely recommend, and that's what I'm going to do, is I'm going to get in here heavy and fast so that I can build up this deposit as heavy as I can. And then once this 14 million are burned, from there I'll start earning 1% every single day. So I'm gonna let this accumulate. I don't know how fast it'll be till we get 14 million burned. It really just depends on the adoption of this project, but it's gone up significantly over the past couple of weeks. So definitely make sure you're hopping in if you're gonna get in. Now with this, I do want to throw out something out there. I talked about $1,000 worth of an airdrop. So anybody who has not gotten on a team yet, if you're watching this video and you're not on a Cairo team, definitely hop on my team. I can't wait to start doing airdrops to the team. And then there is a giveaway going on right now. So if a team gets 100 direct members, that team will receive $1,000 worth of Cairo. So I'm urging everybody to join the team. You don't even have to put in a lot of money. The minimum you have to put in is at least 1 Cairo. So if you're watching this video, all you have to do is get 1 Cairo. That's $1.75 right now. Get that Cairo. Use my link, which will be in the description below. Join the team. And if we hit 100, if this is 100, right here directs. If we get 100 direct people on the team, I will disperse that $1,000 worth of Cairo out to the team. No questions asked. So if you're watching this video, you're not on a team, hop on my team. If you don't want to hop on the team or you don't want to get a Cairo, hey, that is your loss. So just want to throw it out there. $1,000 worth of airdrop that we can split amongst the team, guys. Let's get this going. I know we can do it. So talking about the price currently, we'll look at it really fast over here on Deck Screener. So as you can see, this is from the beginning of August. So this is right around 15 to 16 days in, or sorry, 17 days in. So as you can see, the price has been pretty steady. This is when it did that first initial pump up all the way almost to $2. And then there was that first sell off. And then from here, we really, it's been pretty steady. It's really been an accumulation phase of I've been going in here every single day, compounding, just really building it out. And just excited to see what this project has. I mean, it's taken some hits. This was one of them. Earlier in the project, there was a little bit of a dip as well. But this thing has, to grow like it did after that first, not dump, but, it went down a little bit. And then now it went down a little bit again. And to be at this level, I'm really confident in this project. They already have an MMA fighter on deck in terms of somebody that's going to be sponsoring the project. They're going to be representing Cairo, so shout out to them. They have an AMA going this Sunday as well, and then they have these big contests going on too. So definitely make sure that you guys are staying tuned with this project. Super excited. And let's talk about the next thing. So the other utility here that is currently out is the Horus Farm. That is Horus, not Horse. This is the Horus Farm, and what you're able to do is you're able to come in here, deposit your assets, whether that's BNB, Bitcoin, Ethereum, USD, or Cairo, and then you earn APY off of that. So I'll show you exactly how you do it. We'll do a quick test. So what you do is come in here, connect your wallet. I'm gonna do MetaMask. I'm gonna do a little bit of BNB. It's not a big amount, but just want to show you guys exactly how you do it. So you would come in here, you would invest, allocate, say how much you want to do. So I'm just gonna do 0.2 BNB, which I think is right around like 60 bucks, something like that. So I'm gonna supply that. I'm going to hit supply here. It tells you your investment daily earnings. So I'd be getting 3 cents. So not a lot. Investment yearly earnings, I'd be getting $14. That's amazing. But obviously, if you have a bigger bag that you would want to put in here, you would gain a lot more. But I'm just showing you more so for an example. I eventually will put some more money into this, but there's just so many things going on right now. It's hard to, know really where to put the money at. But I think this is a great place, especially if you just want to park some, blue chips, some Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB. You just want to park it. You have a bag and you just want to park it somewhere, earn some good APY off of it. Why not? So I'm going to go ahead, hit this, going to supply it and show you exactly what happens once that is completed. All right, and we are back. You can see your supply was staked. You successfully supplied 0.2 BNB here. So that is good to go. As you see, we'll refresh this really quick, and I'm sure that will pop up the value here within the BNB. But yeah, this is just really a good place if you just want to park some not stable coins, but yeah, they do have USDC, but just some blue chips here if you just want to park them and just earn some APY off of them, because why not? So this is just another thing that Cairo Finance is building out. So they really have a lot of different things in here. You have the maximizer, in which you're gaining 1% a day. You have the Horus Farms here, which you're earning these different APY percentages off of your blue chips. And then they're going to have a lot more stuff coming out, NFTs, lotteries, some other things like lending. So I mean, there's a lot to look forward to, and Cairo has been very solid over the past couple of weeks, and I'm definitely excited that I got in. So we'll see what this does. We'll review this next week. I might add a little bit to it, you never know. But really just want to say, a great time to get into this project. If you're not in the maximizer, get in the maximizer. If we get 100 people direct on the team, I'll be splitting that $1,000 airdrop amongst the team. So definitely check that out. Get here in the Horus Farm. If you got some BNB you're not doing anything with, some USDC, ETH, Bitcoin, anything like that, drop it in here, gain some more Cairo, put that in the maximizer. Have a plan, right? That's always a good thing to do, is have a cycle. Earn something here, put it here, that's earning something here, and then just have that constant cycle. Obviously, sometimes you want to pull a little bit of profit out of that, but have a self-generating cycle there that's allowing you to make money off of money that's already been made. That's a key right there. So wanted to just do a quick video, show you guys what's happening with Cairo Finance. Have not forgot about it. It's still over here just doing its thing. I think it's just a sleeper right now, but I think this thing is going to take off very soon. So make sure that you guys comment, like, subscribe. Let me know what you guys thought about the video. Let me know if you're going to join my team. Are you going to join the Bag Builder Cairo Finance team? I hope you do. And if you haven't, join our Telegram. Definitely join that in the description below. We have all kinds of games that we do that are going to allow you to win airdrops from these different projects that we're in. So definitely check that out. Make sure you guys also check me out on Twitter at scrypto101. There's going to be some good content on there that doesn't always make it to the video. And as always, we're going to let crypto do what it does. And as a bag builder, we are going to focus on what we do. And of course, that's building the bag.